Stay Grubio Namaga children. Today we are going to learn algebra exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1. First question. Which of the following expressions are polynomials? If not, give reason. Okay. So say here, see the first one, 1 by x square plus 3x minus 4. So we need to identify the given expression is a polynomial or not. So how do you identify, children? We have to see the power of the variable. The power should be non-negative, means that is a polynomial. Suppose the power is negative, means it's not a polynomial. Okay. First one, see the power here. Here variables in the denominator place. So x 1 by x square, how can you written this? 1 by x square usually, how can you write this? X power minus 2. See the power is negative. Okay, so here x power minus 2 plus 3x minus 4. So it is not a polynomial. What is the answer? It is not a polynomial. Because it has negative exponent. Exponent means powers. Okay, it is not a polynomial because it has negative exponent. How can you write this? I rearrange this. How can you do this? X power minus 2 plus 3x minus 4. Now see the power here, minus 2. Minus is there, so that. Okay. Okay. See the next one. X square into x minus 1. Okay. First you multiply this. X square into x, what you will get? X cube. X square into minus 1 minus x square. Now you see the powers. See here power 3, here power 2. So both are positive. Okay. So it is a polynomial. It is a polynomial. Next one. Yeah. 1 by x power minus 2. How can you write this? 1 by x power minus 2. X square. Power should be negative. Plus 1 by x power minus 1. X power 1. Plus 7. Now you see the powers. Here powers are positive. Okay. So it is a polynomial. See the next one here. Power of the variable 2. Here power of the variable is 1. So the power is a positive. It is a whole number. So it is a polynomial. It is a polynomial. Okay, children, do you understand? How do you identify the polynomial? We have to see the power of the variable. The power is a non-negative zeros, means that is polynomial. The power is a negative, means that is not a polynomial. Okay, we have to see the powers of the variable. So the next one, write the coefficient of x square, coefficient of x square and x in each of the following polynomials. We have to write the coefficient of x square and x. Okay. First, what is coefficient, children? Coefficient is a number multiplied the variables. What is the coefficient? Coefficient is a number multiplied the variable. Okay, see here, where is x square? In this expression, you find out where is x square. Here, x square. X is the variable, no? Here, which number is multiplied with here? 2 by 5. So, the coefficient of, what is the answer? Coefficient of x square equal to 2 by 5. Along with the sign you have typed here, positive is there, so that I written 2 by 5. Okay. Next, what do you want to write? Coefficient of x. So, coefficient of x equal to -3. See here, what number is that? -3. Along with the sign we have to take. So, coefficient of x square equal to 2 by 5. Coefficient of x equal to -3. You understand, children? See the next one. Here, coefficient of x square. What is there? Here, coefficient of x square is 5. Coefficient of x is, before the x there is no number, means it represents 1. It represents 1. So, write the answer. Coefficient of x square equal to 5. Next, coefficient of x is -1. Okay. Coefficient of x square equal to 5. Coefficient of x equal to -1. Why should I written -1 here? Because before the x there is no number. It represents 1 is there. Okay. So, along with the sign we need to take. So, -1 is the answer. Okay, children. So, the next one. √3x square plus √2x plus 0.5. So, we need to write coefficient of x square. So, coefficient of x square equal to, see here, what number is that? √3. Next, coefficient of x. Coefficient of x equal to, before that what is that? √2. You understand, children? How do you find out the coefficient? Coefficient is a number, multiply the variables. Okay. So, the next one. Find the degree of the following polynomials. What do you want to find? Degree. What is degree, children? Degree is the highest power of the variable. What is degree? Highest power of the variable is called as degree of the polynomial. First, we have to see the highest power. Okay. See here, first what variable is given here? Y is there. So, the power of the y is what here? 2 is there. Here also 2. Okay, the power should be same here. Okay. So, the highest power is here 1 is there. What is the power, children? So, the degree of the constant polynomial is 0. Here what is the degree? 0 is there. Okay. Here degree is 2. The degree is 2. Okay. So, the highest power is highest power of y is 2. Therefore, the degree of the polynomial is degree of the polynomial is polynomial is 2. You understand, children? What is degree, children? The highest power of the variable is called as degree. Here the highest power is 2. So the degree of the polynomial is 2. Here x cube minus x power 4 plus 6x power 6 divided by x square. So we need to divide each and every term by x square first. Okay. So x cube by x square minus x power 4 by x square plus 6x power 6 by x square. Now divide this power. You know that a power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. Okay. So x power 3 minus 2, what you will get? 1 minus x power 4 minus 2, 2x square plus 6x power 6 minus 2, what you will get? 4. Okay. So here x minus x square plus 6x power 4. Here x is the variable. Now you see the powers of the variable. See the powers of the variable. Here 1, 2, 4. In this, which is the highest power? 4 is the highest power. Okay. So highest power of the variable is highest power of the variable is 4. So therefore, the degree of the polynomial is 4. The degree of the polynomial is 4. You understand, children? See the next question. Root 5 p power 4 minus 8 p cube by root 3 plus 2 p square by 7. Okay. Here p is the variable. See the power of the variable 4, 3, 2. Okay. So in this, which is highest number, children? 4 is the highest number. Okay. So the highest power of the variable is power of the variable is 4. Therefore, degree of the polynomial is polynomial is 4. You understand, children? See the next question. Rewrite the following polynomials in standard form. Standard form means we should arrange the given expressions in ascending order or descending order. Okay, ascending or descending order, we need to arrange the terms. How to arrange the terms in ascending or descending? We need to see the powers of the variable. According to the powers, we should arrange it in ascending or descending order. Okay. Now see here x minus 9 plus root 7x cube, here x square. Here power is 1, here power is 0 because this is constant. So the power should be 0. Here the power is 3 plus here power is 2. Okay. So in this 1, 3, 2, 0, in this which is the highest power? 3 is the highest power. So you should write it in the descending order. Okay. So what is the answer? Here root 7 x cube plus next power is 2, 6x square plus x minus 9. So this is the standard form. What is standard form? We need to arrange that given expressions, okay, in descending order or ascending order according to the powers. Okay. The fourth one here, y square, the power is 2, plus root 5 y cube, power is 3, minus 11, so power is 0, here the power is 1, here the power is 4. Okay, so write it in the order. First the highest power of the variable is 4 only. Okay, first you write it 9 y power 4. Next power 3. So plus root 5 y cube. Next y square plus y square. Next y. Along with the sign you have to take minus 7 by 3 y minus 11. Do you understand, children? Let's move on to the next one. See the next one. Add the following polynomials and find the degree of the resultant polynomial. First we need to add the polynomials. After that we need to find out the degree of the polynomial. Okay. First one, p of x equal to 6x square minus 7x plus 2. Q of x equal to 6x cube minus 7x plus 50. Okay, we are going to add this. P of x plus Q of x. We are going to add these two expressions. 6x square minus 7x plus 2 plus 6x cube minus 7x plus 50. Okay. See here. First see the powers of the variable. Here power is 2. Here power is 1. Here 3. Here 1. Okay. In this, which is the highest power? 3 is the highest power. That you write it first. Okay. 6x cube. Only one 6x cube is there. Any other x cubes are there? There is no other numbers. So you can write it as it is. 6x cube. Then x square. X square, only one x square is there. So write as it is. Plus 6x square. Next 7x minus 7x minus 7x. So x is the common term. So add the coefficient minus 7 you get minus 14x. Next constant plus 2 plus 15. Both the number are positive. So add it. Plus 2 plus 15 you get plus 70. Okay. So while adding this, what you are getting? 6x cube plus 6x square minus 14x plus 70. Okay. So after adding this, we need to find out degree. So what is degree, children? Degree is the highest power of the variable. See the power of the variable here. X cube 3, 2, here power is 1. Okay. In this, which is the highest power? 3. So the highest power is highest power of x is, because here power of the variable is x, so that x is 3. So that therefore degree of the polynomial is, degree of the polynomial is 3. What is the answer? 3. Once again. Okay. So So we need to find out the answer. After adding the numbers only, we need to find out the degree. Okay. So degree of the resultant polynomial or degree of the polynomial is 3. You understand, children? First you should add the polynomial. After adding this, we need to find out the powers. Okay. Next one, we are going to add f of x and g of x is given. First we are going to add f of x plus g of x equal to 16x power 4 minus 5x square plus 9 minus 6x cube plus 7x minus 15. Okay, see here, see the power 4, 2, 3, 1 and constant term has 0 power. So, we write it in the order. First 16, x power 4 is the highest, next x cube. Here only one x cube is there, so that you write it as it is, or otherwise you will add and put that values. Next x square, only one x square, so minus 5x square plus 7x plus 9 minus 15. What you will get? Minus 6. Because 15 is the greater number, the sign of the greater number is negative. So what is the answer? Well, adding this f of x plus g of x equal to what you are getting? 16x power 4 minus 6x cube minus 5x square plus 7x minus 6. Next we need to find out degree. Okay. First find out the highest power. Highest power of x is 4. Therefore, degree of the polynomial is is 4. You understand, children? So the next one, subtract the second polynomial. Subtract the second polynomial from the first polynomial and find the degree of the resultant polynomial. We need to find out the degree. Subtract the second polynomial from the first polynomial. So we write the first polynomial p of x minus q of x. Okay. So 7x square plus 6x minus 1. First term, write as it is. So next we are going to subtract. So put the minus sign. Which term you are going to subtract? 6x minus 9. So 7x square plus 6x minus 1. Here minus into plus, minus 6x minus into minus plus 9. Okay. Next 7x square, only one term is there. So write it as it is. 7x square 6x 6x. But plus here minus to cancel this. Okay. Then number what is there? Minus 1 plus 9. What you will get? Plus 8. So p of x minus q of x equal to what you are getting? 7x square plus 8. Next we need to find out the degree. Okay. See that here highest power is, here the highest power, see the power 2. Here power is 0. So the highest power is 2. Therefore the degree of the polynomial is 2. Highest power of x is 2. Okay. So therefore degree of the polynomial is is 2. You understand, children? Next one. h of z equal to z power 5 minus 6z power 4 plus z. F of z equal to 6z square plus 10z minus 7. Okay. So we are going to subtract h of z minus f of z equal to z power 5 minus 6z power 4 plus z minus of 6z square plus 10z minus 7. Okay. So z power 5 minus 6z power 4 plus z minus into plus minus 6z square plus plus into minus minus 10z minus into minus plus 7. Okay. Now z power 5, then z power 4 only one terms are there, 6z power 4, then z square minus 6z power 2. Next here z, okay. So plus z minus 10z, z is common, so plus 1 minus 10 you get minus 9. So minus 9z plus 7. What is the answer? While subtracting this, what you are getting? Z power 5 minus 6z power 4 minus 6z square minus 9z plus 7. Okay. So next we need to find out degree. Here the highest power is 5. So the highest power of z is 5. So therefore the degree of the polynomial is polynomial is 5. Do you understand, children? Thank you, children.